A bus system in Bangkok is quite confusing and not easy at all for travelers, even for us local people. Watch this video until the end and you will be able to take a bus in Bangkok to everywhere you want without getting lost. Coming up, Street Thai the series, Learn Thai the way it's really spoken. Our topic today is taking a bus in Bangkok. To take a bus in Bangkok, you can just hop in, take a seat, and wait until a ticket seller approaches you and you say, "Pai," your destination, "Ka," or "Krap." For example, "Pai Khao San Road, Ka." "Pai Khao San Road, Krap." Then the ticket seller will tell you a price, you pay, then you get a ticket. Normally, on a bus, there's no system or no sign to tell you where you are or what is the next bus stop. So, to make sure that you're not gonna miss your bus stop or your destination, you can just tell a ticket seller, "พอถึงแล้วช่วยบอกได้ไหมคะ?" พอถึงแล้วช่วยบอกได้ไหมคะพอถึงแล้วช่วยบอกได้ไหมคะ That means, could you please tell me when I get there? And after that, you just sit and relax and wait for the ticket seller. Normally he or she doesn't forget it. We are Thai, we are ready to help you. And if you want to ask how many stops are there before your destination, you can say, อีกกี่ป้ายคะอีกกี่ป้ายคะอีกกี่ป้ายคะ And during rush hours, please be expected to be in the jam-packed bus or SkyTrain. And if you want to say, "Can I get in please?" you can say, ขอเข้าข้างในได้ไหมคะขอเข้าข้างในได้ไหมคะขอเข้าข้างในได้ไหมคะ Can I get in please? That's all for today. Have fun with your new experience taking a bus in Bangkok and tell me how you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like or click share if you like it. And see you in the next video. Bye bye ค่ะ